Okay, so this is my outfit of the day. I've got this beanie from Urban Outfitters, top from Topshop, other storage jacket, got my Mistress Rocks, these 90s jeans from Bershka, and my Balenciagas. Yeah, I'm gonna go grocery shopping now. Let's go! Get the bag. Fooling. Guess what we're gonna make tonight? Heard of Parasite? We're gonna make ramdon. You want the rice? Very good for you. So, look, we got a sriracha mayo.
Oh, it tastes so nice.
Never seen this before. I want pocky though. Why does the pocky packet look so weird?
Okay.
I get pepper. True. Yeah. What do you want? That bean. How many noodles do you eat? Like 2 packets, isn't it? I normally get this fried one, but this is all they have. So I'll just go with it. I wanted to get tapioca, but they've run out. I'm so sad. Like, they've got this one. But why is there so many of it left, you know? The coloured tapioca balls. Maybe I'm desperate, so I'm gonna get it. Look at this line though.
Right, is connected successfully.
Now we're gonna go to another grocery store that's not Asian to get some ribeye steak. Take a wild guess. Where are we going? Lidl?
Yeah.
Iceland? Or KFC? I don't wanna die! Social distance. People stacking up on their tissue rolls. Oh, KFC.
Yeah,
No? This guy best staring at me as he's parking at it. He's smoking too. You think you're badass? I think they were like 100% drug dealing, that's why.
There's no stuff here. I know.
Do you want chili? Like the
Want more chili?
But why though?
What else? It's getting a bit spicy over there, yeah? Is it not spicy?
Okay.
Take spice.
That's what I was like. What are you? Are you a human? Gluten cow.
Like you reckon be.
Gluten cow.
Little side
I can't believe I did this. How many teaspoons is 31 grams? Because this guy has a lot of sugar.
30 grams. 30 grams is 7.2 teaspoons. That's crazy. And I reorder my tea place with no sugar. Okay.
Caramel corn.
I think the maximum you're allowed to have a day is 27.5 grams of sugar. You want me to click the back too?
It'll feel good.
You feel good,
It'll
bro.
feel good, okay.
You're missing it out.
Okay.
Vlogging.
You can put the face on that side.
Relax.
Yeah, the other side. Yeah. Just relax. the
Breathe
body.
in, breathe out.
Breathe in. No. Breathe in. Breathe in and out. Slowly. Oh, I don't. She's so small. I feel like I'm gonna break her leg. Okay, look. Just relax. Just relax.
Ooh! Damn! Did you hear that?
Oh my god, Rose spine is. What's wrong with her spine? It's curvy.
Ooh!
See.
Ooh!
Yeah, I think Rose, her spine is curved, you know.
Is that
Stand up straight, let me see.
Can I stand up straight? You said my
Yeah.
spine is curved.
Oh no, Run through her spine, yeah. Look at the way my finger moved, look.
Oh. Oh, whoa, the way Kenny said, oh.
That was straight, that should be taller. Actually.
How'd you feel after?
I feel.
You just stay straight, innit? Well, let's
Yeah, I
see.
feel
Let's see.
free.
Put my hand.
Does it hurt? That's how you get a jawline, people.
I can feel the stretch.
You can feel it, yeah? That's good. You're gonna get a jawline in no time. Yeah, do the other side.
His both did it work.
I'm home now. And Max keeps smelling my shoes and everything in my room. The amount of slurping power she did, it went down to her fucking jeans. I need to give this a clean. I just want to sleep, but I gotta cook dinner. I want to play some music. Keshi. Bite-sized pieces. I know you're questioning why it's not on the stove. Because I don't want it on the stove. Not yet, anyway. Oh! Ginger! Just gonna mix that all in. Needs to be high. Oh, that's enough. Get some of the excess off. I'm gonna add some butter. All the flakes. Add the nyogu flavor. Normally Koreans put half the pack, but because I'm making so much, I'm just going to put all of it in. Take all the noodle juices, take it all. There's going to be 4 of us eating dinner, so I'll just do about 4. Black bean base that we did do before. It's for now. The beef now. I believe I cooked 5 packets of noodles. So my brother eats so much. Lastly, we're gonna add the oil. Turn off the heat. It's unnecessary now. It's all over my fingers. Ah! My hands are so awful and sticky. Don't like it. Okay, this is the final result. Oh guys, it looks so yummy. I can't wait to eat you. It smells magnificent. Itadakimasu. Oh my god. Oishii. Oh, this just strengthens all the flavour. Thumbs up. Afghan milkshake. Bro bought it from Papa John's. This is my dessert.